I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the fastest path. Open to LAN for local friends or realms for instant online sharing. You should confirm the Minecraft edition because Java uses IP, Port and Bedrock uses Xbox Live accounts. Once your world is running, open the pause menu and select Open to LAN, pick Game Mode and allow cheats if needed. Make sure to read the port number shown. This lets players connect directly when they are on the same network, and it creates the network socket Minecraft uses. Once done with LAN or a realm choice, you'll make the world reachable. For external players, set port forwarding on your router mapping the displayed port to your local IP. That publishes your game to the internet. If you prefer not to forward ports, use realms, a free host like Atternos, or a tunneling tool, these abstract networking for you. Make sure Windows/macOS Firewall allows Minecraft, otherwise connections will be blocked. This step fixes the middle networking hurdle, so friends can actually connect. You're finishing by sending the connection details. Share your public IP, port for Java, or invite friends to the realm. Bedrock players use Xbox Live invites. Once they join, set operator status or adjust permissions so griefing is prevented. Make a world backup before major changes so you can restore if needed. If someone can't connect, first verify your public IP and port, confirm the firewall/router allow list, and make sure everyone runs the same game version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.